Hi, welcome to the channel. Glad you could make it. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be putting a soft start on Roamstead back here. So now that we got all of our stuff up here on the top of Roamstead, we are going to go down. We're going to turn off all the solar, all the battery power. That way we don't have an electrifying experience up here. All right, now that we got everything turned off, we can get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the screws and then we'll get this cover off. Follow the white compressor wire from the compressor to the run capacitor. Be where the capacitor's at. As we follow, we look here, you see our white wire right here. Grab you and get a close up here for you. It tells us to grab the white wire, which is right here, and we're tracing it back. It comes back through here. So, and it comes back and it'll be right in this little box here. So we'll take this cover off. We'll take this off. There we go. We have the white wire located here, and we'll touch this and see that we have the white wire isolated. We're supposed to take our blue wire and we're supposed to connect it to this guy. And I should mention too, when you're working around the capacitor, that thing's holding a charge. Even though we have the electricity off to everything, you want to be careful because when this thing starts up, it needs that extra boost of energy to get everything moving. So that capacitor, unless you short it out and discharge it, is going to hold a charge, and it'll be enough to light your world up. So just be careful when you're messing around with that capacitor. So we'll take one end. We're going to take our black wire. We're going to do the same thing, only we're going to connect this where that white wire was at, which is right back here. These guys were on this first. And we're going to tie on here. Tug on her. And we're good. Mount this guy right back onto here. That way we can put these guys back up and get them out of our road. Our red compressor wire. Make sure this is the right wire. Okay. And it says if you see the second red wire, which hopefully you can see it. It's sitting down here. It says we're supposed to disconnect it. If you have two red wires coming in on what they call the Herm side of the capacitor, and we do, so we need to get in there and terminate that. So we're supposed to route the blue, black, and yellow soft start wires. Okay, there we go. Sure that's good and tight on there. And then we gotta disconnect the blue wire over here on the top of the compressor. Remove that blue wire. This is that end that we just crimped on. So now we'll put it right here. There we go. All right, so we got that there. There we go. On the capacitor, It does tell you which side is the Herm side. And that's what I was just verifying, was that I did disconnect that wire from the right side of the capacitor. And it's on there good and tight. That's connected. Not too tight, but tight enough that it seals it up. Feel like that for now. We'll go down and turn some power on this baby and see what happens. There might be a pretty good spot right about here that we'll be able to get this mounted in, get tied up. But let me go turn it on, make sure everything's working properly, and I'll be right back.